Hello everyone. Forging is a technique that is used to form or change the shape of a piece of metal using mainly hammers. When struck with a hammer, metal can be thinned, stretched, and moved in different directions. Metalsmiths have been forging metal for thousands of years. Here are some examples. These neck pieces from the Bronze Age were made from bronze bars forged and twisted. Here is a more recent example by American sculptor Alexander Calder. He made his spectacular jewelry with thick brass wire and a hammer. Forged metal is harder and holds its shape better, so it can be used for utensils like this silver spoon by Tim McCreight. So how does it work? For this complex process to work, these three elements need to always be in contact: the support, the metal you are forming, and the hammer. The support, that's the surface you are working on, needs to be a hard and sturdy metal support, such as an anvil or stake, so that the blows of the hammer produce the maximum impact. Let's look at the main forging hammers. First, the raising hammer or cross pin hammer, which is wedged shape. Forging hammers come in different shapes, which compresses the metal in different ways and makes it move and stretch in different directions. Striking a strip of metal with a raising hammer and hammering at 90 degrees to the edge compresses the metal and makes it move in two directions only, pushing at the front and at the back, perpendicular to the face of the hammer. This makes the metal stretch and eventually form a spiral or circle if you hammer always on the same edge, or it will form an S shape if you hammer on opposite edges of the strip. Hammering the strip in the middle would stretch it lengthwise and straight. The plenishing hammer, which has a broader head, spreads the metal in all directions and evens out the bumps on the surface of the metal. All forging hammers have smooth, highly polished faces. Forging is precision work. This is a technique that looks easy but requires practice, a lot of it. As you practice, observe and listen carefully. Observe the angle and direction of the blows of the hammer on the metal, the force of the blows and how much they compress the metal. Listen to your metal when it is struck. Does it make a dull, hollow sound or a high sound? Does it ping? Listen to the rhythm of the blows. This will help you work in a more accurate and controlled way. A few reminders about safety. Please be safe and remember to wear these. Put your safety glasses on and don't forget hearing protection. It is a noisy technique. And as always, this is all about good ergonomics. You must work at a comfortable height, sit with the proper posture, and this is how you hold the hammer, not too close to the head of the hammer, but farther back, so that you let the hammer do all the work without straining your wrist. Have fun hammering. Thanks for watching.